Welcome! This is your training video number 1, providing you with general information about the Preference Import tool. The purpose of the tool is to automatically import employee preferences, this way reducing the workload. But the manual option will still be available for you in WFM. We are going to have 4 training sessions available. The first one will provide you with general information. The second one is dedicated to explaining the logic of the preference import file. The third one is dedicated to explaining the logic on the unavailable times import file. The fourth one will walk you through the import process itself along with examples of import files. The import tool documentation is going to be available for you on the drive at all times. The tool will be installed separately for every country to make sure the import files would not mix and would be easy to track and read. The tool is designed to work as a service that writes the data directly into the database, so it's quite different than Employee Import Tool. The tool works with a specific import file templates, one for preference importing and one for importing the unavailable times. If there are any errors in the import file, corrupt data will be skipped, but the accurate records will pass without interruptions. This way, if something goes wrong, you only need to update the corrupted lines in the import file. You can run the import at any time, and the process for import is as follows. The process is divided into 2 main parts: the actions that you have to perform yourself, and the actions being made by import tool. For starters, you will need to prepare the import file. You will then need to place the file to the designated location. The import tool is going to consume it within 1 minute, and it's going to validate and retrieve codes in WFM. After that, it's going to import or update the preferences. What you're going to have to do after that, you're going to validate if the data was imported correctly. If it is the end of your process. If it's not, you would need to again check who caused the error. If this is a technical issue, you would need to escalate this to technical support. However, if you will notice that this was a mistake made in the preference import file, you will need to come back and adjust the file again and repeat the import process. Please check training session number 2 to learn the structure of the import file.